Has a limit, but does it have as an offset? Interesting. Still 0-0. I'm not sure. Okay, we're just gonna work on something else. In the meantime, so what we want to do, build data, is fine. I feel like, okay, we've got the blocks, which is just holding all those. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to add it to the blocks. So instead of self, I think we can do this. Blocks add child. And if we do that, then I think I can just erase all these. Try it. I don't think they have animation tracks, do they? Don't think so. We'll try that. There we go. So these should be part of the blocks object now. Cool. I think that's working the way we want. Yeah, let's see, we've got one there, and then in the code, how many do we make? Width 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 blocks across. Which maybe that's fine for now. Okay, if that's the case, then here. I don't think I need this blocks, the spawn path, honestly. I could probably just get away with doing my own thing. So what could we do? We've got, so from the middle, these are 32 width. So you've got half of 32 for one, and then every block you add is 32. So for 10 blocks, okay, so you actually have to be an uneven amount to make that work. So let's just say the width's 9. What'd I do? Oh, this thing. That's right. We got 4. So it's 4.5 times 32. I believe that's how many pixels we go to the left and how many pixels we go to the right. So let's see here, what do I want to do? We basically have to make a random location, a random spawn location. Well, maybe that's why we want the spawn path. Let me think about this. If we were to change you, oh, I need like a piece of paper. Let's see here. Oh man, it's too late for maths. Let's see here. It'd be, yeah, it's hard for me to do it up here. If it was on the normal area, it'd be a little easier, but got 1152. 648. Okay. With calc. 152 divided by 32. So there's 36 blocks across the whole way. Blocks across. So if we have 9, we have 4 coming this way. Four times 32. And then we also have a 16. So negative 144. And then positive would be 144. Leaving us a total of 288. Maybe. So, how can we do this? No, I don't want another point. I do want a ruler though. $144. It's right there. Gotta be a better way to do this, but 1152. 1152 divided by 2 is 576. So 432. We want this to be 432. There. Is that a 0? Yep, so there. and then 576, 720. There, with the power of maths, I think that's right. Alright, so if that's where we have it, then maybe we can keep it the way it is on the path. So in this case, the total distance of the thing is 288, did we say? What is wrong? Block spawn location not declared in the current scope. Oh yeah. So that'll give us a random int between for its progress. I don't know if this offset's right anymore. I don't think it would be. Before we did 500, before we were over all the way to the left. This time we are we're only 144 over, right? I don't know. This is just poop. Alright, that's close, but we are we're a little off. And for some reason we don't stop on these anymore. Whereas before we did. I don't know what that's all about. Oh man. What is that all about? Because the last ones are just normal blocks, right? Like if I bring a block over here. Oh, sorry. If I bring a block into here. Oh, now it goes through it for some weird reason. Before it didn't. What? That makes no sense. Are those not normal blocks? Pretty sure they were. Oh, why doesn't that sit there anymore? Odd. You gotta be kidding me. It's on layer 1. Not really sure, to be honest. See if I can bring those blocks back, because when I have these blocks, oh, now they don't. What? Yeah, before they were, they'd collide with these, and now they don't, which is very odd. Not sure I know why. Oh, hi. Sorry, I just saw you come in. Sorry, I was focused. The floor is, these are static bodies. And then if we go and look at the block, it's kind of mixed right now, but it's got a static body on it with a collision shape. It's also got an area 2D with a collision shape. I don't know why we have both. So yeah, these should be colliding, which is odd. What do the layers look like? Yeah, I was wondering that myself. The visibility layers, so this guy, or are there different layers? I guess there's Z-index, the collision layer. Okay, let's see. So here's the collision. Are these the layers we're looking at right here? Oh, there's a collision property on the body. There we go. There we go. So those are 1 on this static body, which is this little square. And then if we look at the blocks, let's go over here to the blocks. This static body is layer 1 as well. That's layer 1 as well. sure. What's weird is they were doing it before. I did change some things in the code, but nothing to do with collisions, so that's kind of weird. It's very strange. You're not really meant to move static bodies. Yeah, I think we only put static bodies on the block because we were playing with something else. So I don't necessarily think we need this. We just had area with collision shape 2D. And I guess in that case you could detect the collision, but it's not gonna like stop, right? Unless you code it in. Here, I'm gonna revert. Back to where I was before. I did all this really quick. Yeah, let me revert my Git for a second. Git restore. Alright. Let's go back to where we were. Just to see what happens. Yeah, so before, for some reason, they just work magically. I changed the width, so we're only got 9. That way we're even on both. Oh, that was it. Just the width? That doesn't make sense. That makes no sense. That's funny. The width, all the width is used for is creating, oh, it does a offset here. Maybe that's why. It's throwing off the position. Okay. Maybe that's what's going on. See, the problem is I didn't code up this piece, my teammate did. And I'm trying to add features to it. But I guess I'm breaking it too, so. Alright, well, that's that. I don't know. I think what we're gonna do anyway is we're gonna move to portrait like this. So here's the mock-up of, well, I guess I've gotta change settings for the display. Yeah, so if I have it as, I have it as 540 36 is what I did. Yeah. So I think we're basically gonna move it to this. About this size anyway. So I wonder if I just make changes to it. So I think that'll be about the size we want for the game. But I hate to make that change right now, because then I have to redo the blocks, because these are right now 32 by 32. But in that scene with the portrait, we've got 64 by 64 assets, so I don't know. But this is where we're moving to anyway. But I think I can still add functionality to this piece the way it is right now. So maybe that's what I'll do. So, we'll keep it the way it is. And then blocks. Okay. And then I don't need these blocks. Well, maybe I'll keep a couple because in the puzzle you would start with some blocks when you spawn in. So I'll keep like 10 blocks. What does that look like? Sure, that's fine. Yeah, the width. The width changed the calculation of everything, which is why they weren't staying on there. So that'll work. Just keep that for now. I think what I'm gonna do. Whoa, our camera. That's not right. It's like the camera didn't update. That's weird. It's okay. Okay, so 576 minus 144. 432. I'm off a little bit. I think I'm gonna spawn them a little higher too so you don't see the little shifty thing. Yeah, let's just spawn them higher. There you go. And then I'm a little too far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With the current code, we duplicate it. Okay, take the position. Yeah, I'm not really sure here. Does it never spawn here? Is the random just that bad? Or is it the way we're doing the math where it never will hit that point? Could be. Seems that way. This isn't very probable, and this is... Well, it's close-ish. I'll figure out the maths later when we actually decide on a stage width. That's good enough for now. So we basically got it, so it'll start. Starts filling stuff. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we need to add in logic. I don't think this is doing anything. I don't think we have rigid bodies. That out. Make sure that still works, because I don't think that's doing anything. Alright, cool. Don't think we're flowing over anymore. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think there's something screwed up here with the math, but alright, good enough for now. So what we can do is we need to add, we've got some code. Where's the code that handles the left click? No, I think that's in the block. Yeah. So input is if mouse button pressed, then you click them out. So this is just for debugging, but got it to where you can get rid of blocks. Okay, so that's done in the block itself. So my question is, when I check for neighbors of a certain color, am I doing that in Grid Manager? Probably, because I don't know if it knows anything about its neighbor. Probably would do it here, I think. Also, I don't know what color this is. Okay, so we build data, which basically clears the data. And then for the children in blocks, we make a new data set that maps all of those. And so we build that first, and then for every key, or for every item in data, use string to key to get the key back, which is our position. So string to key returns a vector 2, which is the position. I'm just trying to see what this thing's doing for us. So while position Y is less than -1, you add 1 to it. Data doesn't have that, you quit, you break. I'm not really sure what's going on here. I think this is sort of the logic that he was playing with to clear the colors, but I honestly don't know. Has this ever even reached? And what is color? I don't know if that's ever reached. Yeah, I don't know what this is doing, to be honest. Oh, where's your other programmer when you need him? Okay, it makes sense. We go through, we're grabbing the keys of all these dudes. I get that. And we get a position. So for everything in the data set, we get its position. This is some flag. We're checking if it's. Why are we checking if it's less than -1? If it's on the left side of the coordinate thing in the middle. A while. It's a while. So while we're -1, we add 1 to the position. So we're adjusting the position until it matches something in the data set already. But didn't we just pull that from the data set right here? So why are we matching a different one? That's when you print the key. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on here, to be honest. Do blocks have colors? Is this a thing? Do they have colors? Yeah. There's no colors. So I don't really know what that's all about. So if we go to the blocks, I mean there are these block colors defined. So maybe we need to give them a variable. Know what I mean? Blue, green, orange, yellow. We've got an enum for that of color. Blue, green, orange, yellow. So if you wanted to do, you could do can I access it if it's like this? Block color. I put it there, and then I do this. Can I access block color over here? Is that allowed? Or is there a certain syntax to get it? Yeah, this is null. Let's see. How to access figure that would work. We've got a block color here, set here. That's still picking the different colors, right? Yeah, it seems to be working. We're not able to get it. Do you do that? Nope. Gotta be aware. Alright, we're just gonna go really basic this time. I'm just gonna call it we're just gonna say it's test. block color. Test color. So it's a var. And then this, in Grid Manager, we should be able to grab that block color. Yeah, var equals test color. We do grab it. So what's the deal? When I set it in here, it didn't seem to update it. But it is picking different colors when we spawn them. Oh, I think I know why. It's loading a texture. So we've got enums here. So the blue equals 0, green equals 1, orange equals 2, yellow equals 3. And then you've got a dictionary. Of 0, 1, whatever. So you're getting the values from the dictionary, so you're just getting that asset right there. I just don't know how I also apply the same color here. there. Will that get us what we want? I'm not sure. String and object and operator. One's an object, one's a string. And I suppose that's the object, yeah. Texture 2D, is there like a path? I just... Still getting nulls. Can you not set this in here? Do I have to pass it in? No. Oh, for heck's sakes, man. Yeah, so it gets the colors just fine. But these block colors are different. They are different. So how do you pass in a global bar into these? Godot. Is there like a global you need to put in or something? Maybe it's this. No. Oh dear. I'm not really sure what's going on. I assume these are the same thing, but doesn't appear to be that way. Because if I update them here, then when I call them here, I get null. But if I update it up here, then I can get that. There's probably some syntax I'm missing, but I can't find it. Oh man, I have no idea what's going on here. Basically I have to give it a color, so in Grid Manager I can check colors. But I have no way of checking a color. That's the problem. I mean, I know we have a dot color here, but I don't think that actually exists. Called when the node enters the scene tree for the first time. So you'd think it would set this up. Not really sure what's going on. Maybe it's the way I load it. I'm doing a preload. That's probably why, maybe, huh? Maybe ready's called after preload, but it's updating the colors, like the actual texture. So I'm confused. Yeah, I don't get it. It should just work. Instance or new. Is instantiate not what I want here, maybe? I mean, it's working, but I haven't got done a lot that I was supposed to today. Just running into issues. Godot-isms. That's the problem here. I think that's right. I think preload's the right thing because we know the path. It's not a dynamic path. I don't really know. I don't get it. I just don't get it. So we're setting block color here. Right here. And that's on the ready, so that should be set. So it's after the instantiate right here. Maybe we'll try to just print it here. This one's not good. Maybe it's too soon after instantiate? I don't know. That's my only guess. So maybe we can get color, we just have to wait. There we go, you can get color. Dumb. Yeah, it was being called too soon, I guess. That's dumb. But I spent so much time on that. Unfortunate. Oh well, we can get block color now. So how do we do this? I don't know. Does Godot have 2D, two-dimensional lists? Because the way we're doing it is our key is like a, it's basically a string. I think that's what he was kind of trying to do here. Okay, the position isn't actually the position. It is the position in the grid. So -1. You're checking if it has a neighbor to the right of you, maybe? Not really sure. I guess what you want to do for key... maybe he's doing this up here, but I'm just gonna do this. So I don't want to mess up what he's already got. Okay, so we get a key, we get a position, so we have an X and a Y. So if data has So if block has right neighbor, I think that's how you could do it. technically have to check diagonals too, which is tricky. It's that'd be left neighbor. Wait a sec. You kind of have to crawl through this, because we're not doing else. You essentially just have to check. That's tricky. It's kind of like a recursive thing. Because if we're this block, we check if we have a right neighbor. If we do, we check the color. If it doesn't match, we don't care. And then we continue. If it can you not look at this while it's paused? Yeah, you can. I'm just thinking. Because you'll check. Yeah, that's tricky. Because really we want them to blow up during every delta. We want it to check. Yeah, you almost want a recursive function, I think. Right? Yeah, I think we've got a recursive function of some sort here. Need some sort of check neighbors. I gotta be done soon. Essentially, so you need to check if the current position is in data set. Yeah, basically you need to check if it's in the grid, and then if it's already been visited. Then you have to check if the color matches. So you take grid, Yeah, I don't know how to do this efficiently, but essentially it's something like this. Alright, I'm gonna finish up after this. But essentially, I think what you gotta do is you gotta have some sort of function like this that has an x and y of where you're going. And so then we would call the same function again, but we would do x plus 1, y, color, grid, visited blocks, and this would be right. Left should be -1. +1, and I don't know the way this is written. I assume this is down. Usually +y is down on a display, or maybe that's the way it is in Godot. I'll put a question mark because I don't know. I mean, either way it'll check the directions, but okay, now we've got 4 more. You got so you got diag, down right, diag, down left, diag, down upright, diag, up left. So for down right, It'd be +1, for down, it'd be, I believe it's still +1. Yeah, I think that's how it would be. And upright be +1, -1. Dag up left would be -1, -1, plus plus, minus plus, plus minus. Yeah. Essentially something like this is what you would want. You might need like a sum. I don't know, this is tough. Yeah, and you might not have to pass in data like this because data is up here, so it might be okay, but just pass it anyway. Visited blocks. Yeah, we might not need this. These two, we might just get away with this because those are global. I think it'll work okay. But I think you just call it like this. Alright, something like that might do it. I gotta go. I gotta be done though. Yeah, I guess instead of grid, we're just using data here. think that'll work. Didn't test it, but I think it's a good start. Maybe. Okay, well, I gotta end it there. Yep, we better end it there. Anyway, thanks for those that have tuned in to watch. Appreciate it. Hopefully we can get a game by the time the game jam's over. I don't know. I had high hopes at the start, but we've got a lot of programming to do, so hopefully we can get it done. But I'll see you guys